Hey guys, MD95TSI here, and we are looking at a mail call from BirdMan 316, Mike. You guys know me and Mike did some trading. I hope you guys are in the frame here. I keep moving it around. Me and Mike did some trading, so let's see what we got in there. We got the AK knife. Let's go and cut into it. You guys know and follow my channel, you will know that what I traded Mike already. It should be in this box. I think I've talked about it online a couple times. So let's see. What could it be? Probably make a lot of people upset what's in here, but anyway, let's find out. So, set that to the side for once. And looky here. Mike does a very good job at keeping everything up. Go ahead and get into that. Uh-oh. What is it here? And RC Funds is really gonna like it. He's really into these things. So, as you can see, what we have here is a broken arm. So, it's not a problemos, and broken here. So, but let's get in here. Oh, no package. Okay, it's just a phone box. You just put that in there for spacing. Understood. I do that a lot too. What's it got here? Like I said, I hope you guys are in frame with this. You should be with what I got set on. Okay, so here's the charger and stuff like that. Full beam, still in its original packaging. Awesome. What you got here? This one's gonna be. I'm not sure. Oh, I know what that is. I understand what that is. Now, can I get it back in here? There you go. Know what that is also. But let's see what we have down in the bottom here. Is it a second Hudson? It is not. But look what it is. Boy, is that thing nice. This is the body for one of these guys. Both top and bottom piece there. Sweet. So I have to take it and put it, everything in it together. And this one does have the tinted lens that Neil was talking about. Captain Cook told me that they put a filter on them. I see that now. Mine does not. This is already mine. This is the SS model. This is the S model. So, alright, Mike. Good trade, brother. He already sent me the batteries before for him. So, awesome deal, man. Awesome deal. So, I will probably be having a Hubsan 501 S model. This one is. She broke some wires in there. I see the wires right there. So, definitely don't want to try to power nothing on. And you can tell it is the S model because if you look down through here, you can see the difference. And mine comes all the way out to here, and this one ends down in there. So this is definitely an S model. No doubt in my mind. I do know that much about him at this point in the game. And he also thrown in the manual. So you're awesome, Mike. I say it was a hell of a trade. Thank you. I hope you really enjoy the transmitters. I hope they help you out. I think they should because they're awesome also. So anyway, let's see what we got in here. You guys obviously know what's in here. Oh yeah. Let me break those sticks. Oh yeah, brand new transmitter. That's one thing about Mike, man. He keeps his stuff in really good shape. So I will probably drop the mods on this. Put the antennas to the outside, which is an awesome mod for this bird here. And there you have it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This takes just a little 4A batteries. I'll probably end up putting a light bow in there also. And then I may have a 501S. Gonna be like brand new here. Mike's barely flown this thing. I mean, you can see what happened was he went over and it hit a limb, and it just, ever since that, he just thrown it in the race room and left it alone, because it's like probably a couple hours getting in that thing and transferring everything over. You got to be really careful. There's a lot of stuff inside there to make sure that you get back in the right place, because if not, you will fall into problems, and yes, you will get in trouble. As you can see, brand new shell, top and bottom. Super cool. Super, super cool. So, hell yeah. Looks like we have another Hubsan in the house. That's what I'm talking about, because I'm starting to, these are really nice. They are high powered, definitely got good range on them. You have to do the proper procedure. I don't do this stuff on the ground for mine to calibrate. I actually pick mine up, hold it in my arms, lock my arms, and do this, and then do this. That's how I do it, okay? So, and it's always worked so far, so good. Knock on some wood, okay? But anyway, that's what it is. So, Mike, thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. To me, it was well worth it, because I'll do more with this than what I would do with the jumper. And pow, there you have it. Mail call, BirdMan 316.